Dreaming to own a house? If yes, tara! Samahan niyo ako. Allow me to introduce something big, something new, and something awesome. Welcome to Minami Residences. FYI, Minami Residences is another breakthrough project of Pro Friends Philippines. Let's go, guys. Guys, meet Hanna. Hanna is a 2-story quadruplex unit. As of now, I am standing in front of the actual turnover unit nitong si Hanna. Tara guys, pasok tayo. Bali si Hanna guys, meron siyang 54 square meters sa floor area at meron naman siyang sukat na 80 square meters sa lot area. And Hanna has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and provision for 2-car garage. In the video guys, ang nakikita nyo ay ang service laundry area nitong si Hanna. Nakatabi lang din yan ang napakaluwag na parking space. This area is also perfect for future planning expansion. Now back to the unit. Ang nakikita nyo ngayon guys ay ang first toilet and bath sa first level yan nitong si Hanna. Nakatabi lang din yan ang napakaluwag at modernong kitchen area of this unit. On your left, dito mo rin makikita yung access mo papunta sa service area at the same time sa parking space nitong si Hanna. Tara guys, akit naman tayo at tingnan natin kung anong meron itong si Hanna dito sa second level. Pag akit natin guys, ang una nating makikita ay yung second toilet and bath nitong si Hanna. Dito yan sa second level. Hanna has 3 bedrooms and they are all located dito sa second level yan ni Hanna. This is the master's bedroom. As you can see guys, maluwag siya, napaka-moderno, at may napakaganda siyang window where you can actually see the beautiful scenery dito sa Minami. Now this is the second bedroom ni Hanna. At syempre pa, di natin pwedeng palagpasin to see how beautiful the third bedroom nitong unit. There you have it guys, you have just witnessed the actual turnover nitong si Hanna. Ngayon naman, samahan nyo ako, puntahan natin itong napakagandang dress-up unit nitong unit para naman magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano pa mas mapapaganda ang posibleng unit na mapapasa inyo. Tara guys, pasok tayo. What do you think guys? Napakaganda talaga nitong si Hanna, di ba? Ngayon, akit naman tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano nga bang meron itong si Hanna sa upper level niya. Tara guys, akit tayo. For now guys, si Hanna ay naka-pre-selling pa siya. At kung ikaw na nanonood ng video na ito ay interesado, pwede mo nang i-reserve ang isa sa mga unit ni Hanna sa halagang 25,000 pesos only. And wait, there's more! Since Minami Residences is newly launched, you can possibly have one of the units sa introductory price niya na 3.4 million pesos and up. For those interested to know more about Hanna, you can comment down below or send me a private message. You can also follow me through my social media account. I'm Tony Sinico, your property advisor dito sa Minami. Sa Minami, your home matters.